As the day winds down and bedtime approaches, many of us find ourselves searching for that perfect bedtime snack. Look no further than the humble banana. Not only is it delicious and convenient, but it also comes with a host of health benefits. Here are 7 reasons why reaching for a banana before bedtime might just be the key to a good night's sleep. 1. Natural sleep aid. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin and melatonin. These neurotransmitters are essential for regulating sleep patterns. By consuming a banana before bedtime, you're providing your body with the building blocks it needs to enhance sleep quality and promote relaxation. Serotonin, in particular, is known as the feel-good neurotransmitter, contributing to a sense of calm and well-being. 2. Muscle relaxation. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals known for their muscle-relaxing properties. Consuming a banana can help prevent nighttime muscle cramps and spasms, allowing you to unwind and relax more effectively before heading to bed. The natural muscle-relaxing effect of bananas can be particularly beneficial for individuals who engage in physical activities or experience muscle tension during the day. 3. Regulation of blood sugar. Bananas have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy slowly. This can help regulate blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing spikes and crashes that may disrupt your sleep. Stable blood sugar levels contribute to a more restful and uninterrupted night's sleep. For individuals concerned about diabetes or those looking to manage their weight, bananas are a smart and satisfying choice. 4. Rich in vitamins and nutrients. Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin B6, which helps convert tryptophan into serotonin, promoting a calm and positive mood. Additionally, bananas are a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and well-being. Including bananas in your bedtime routine can be a tasty and convenient way to ensure you're meeting your daily nutrient requirements. 5. Digestive health. The fiber content in bananas aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. If you've ever experienced discomfort or indigestion before bedtime, a banana can be a gentle and easily digestible snack. The fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, preventing the discomfort of going to bed hungry. A happy digestive system contributes to overall comfort, making it easier to settle in for a good night's sleep. 6. Hydration. Dehydration can lead to discomfort and restlessness during the night. Bananas have a high water content and can contribute to your overall fluid intake. Staying hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including maintaining a comfortable sleep environment. A well-hydrated body is better equipped to relax and rejuvenate during the night. 7. Weight management. For those mindful of their weight, bananas offer a satisfying and nutritious snack without the added sugars and fats found in many other late-night options. The combination of fiber and natural sugars in bananas can help curb sweet cravings, making it easier to resist less healthy alternatives. As part of a balanced diet, bananas can be a valuable ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Eating a banana before bedtime isn't just a tasty treat, it's a smart choice for your overall well-being and a potential game changer for your sleep routine. Incorporating this simple and nutritious fruit into your evening routine may lead to more restful nights and sweeter dreams. Sweet dreams await. Reach for a banana tonight.